As we continue to tell the story of our character and have it interact with the scenes, we want to start to add facial features or expressions. Now, these can be simple, even if you are doing just a basic circle for an eye, but you want to have a few facial expressions, so as your character begins to interact with other characters, you can show some type of reaction or emotion. Now you'll see over here I have a whole bunch of symbols that I've created for a large animation that I've been working on. You've been seeing samples of that. But here is my standard eye. And I can just grab the symbol and drag it down. And I'm not going to spend too much time doing everything perfectly because you will be doing this yourself drawing. I'm just showing you the basic idea. So then I had this secondary eye, which could be used for a blink if I wanted it to be, or also sort of just a look of disbelief or irritation. And you see I've made it exactly the same size. So when I need to make this frog look like it's hearing something that it doesn't like, or he's frustrated, I can put this eye over the other eyes in Animate and it will change its expression. So here was my normal smile, and then I went ahead and created a couple different mouths that would make it look like it's talking or singing or whatever you want, a way to interact with its surrounding. So you see here now I have a different expression without having to redraw the face each time, just a few different eye settings and a couple different mouths. So if the frog were to sing, I could rock back and forth between these images, these instances in Animate. And I can show you how to do that in another video, but the first step is to just draw a few expressions. So you will see, for instance, if we open this up, let's find the so there's my standard face right here, the one you just saw. And when the frog jumps, he's going to look kind of surprised, and you'll see that his eyes open first, his eyes close for a second. Oops, and he opens his mouth right there. So it gives your characters a little more sense of life. And there's the frog singing. You can see that everything stays the same, just the mouth goes back and forth through a few different animations. It's the same process that you made the blink, except now you're making other features change in a frame-by-frame style. So think ahead in your video. Perhaps you have a jellyfish that sees a piece of litter falling down, and the jellyfish goes from happy to a little bit shocked or frustrated. Another good, real simple way to add emotions is by adding eyebrows. So if you have a character with eyebrows, you can do all kinds of different things to give different emotions. So come up with a few expressions, and you can also draw them directly in Animate as new layers if that saves you time.